Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Right now let's take a look again in the gold market. In the gold market, as you can see, price action mostly corresponds to our expectations. As I said yesterday, this market indeed could retest the trend line again. So on the daily chart, overall picture barely has changed. The major idea here is the same, so the market will not be able to hold above this pennant pattern or return it back down. Then we need to be prepared to sequence of some events. First of all, this will be first the bearish breakout of the pennant, opposite breakout. Next, it will be moving to this trend line. As a result, we could get head and shoulders pattern. It's a bit skewed, but this will just show you that market is not able to support this consequence of the high lows and high tops. Here, market in this case will fail to form high top, and that will be bearish sign. As a result, we could here even expect this breakout and getting some deeper retracement. That's why here it's a very important moment today in the gold market. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you can see our three drive pattern has started and it's almost has completed the target. So today probably this will happen. So as you know, the minimum target of the three drive is the bottom between the second drive and the third drive. And this almost has happened. And we said yesterday, if you remember, that it's only moment how it could be combined, completion of the free drive and keeping of the bullish sentiment, is retesting this trend line a bit later. So if market will touch the 1256 area, this will simultaneously complete the free drive target and will hold above the trend line. So that's the chance for the market. Actually, guys, if you are searching chance to go long, here is in fact your last opportunity here, because if market will not able to hold here, it will mean that bullish sentiment will be broken, at least in the short term, and market will turn to the bearish action. That's why it's some kind of the point of culmination, as I call it, as the trading with such setups. So the point of culmination will not give you the 100% probability that you will succeed, but it will give you the best risk-reward ratio, because you are taking the position in effect at the edge and the last possible point where the bullish sentiment still exists. The one step down and the sentiment is broken. So this gives you the chance to place very tight stop orders. Although today I don't know how it will be possible due to the non-farm payrolls release, but the idea of this situation could be applied in other trading setups. So what we have on the 30-minute chart. On the 30-minute chart, yes, we also have discussed two moments. We said either market will form some kind of Gartner's triple to buy, because market was in this point when we have talked, or it will show something else that will lead it to completion of the three drive pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart. But at the same time, we'll give the chance to hold above the trend line. So and right now we see that market actually is forming the large ABCD pattern. So actually it's interesting, guys. Take a look at that. Our initial ABCD pattern has been completed, and market indeed has shown the upward bounce reaction on this free drive. On this Gartner's triple to buy. But this reaction was really small, just completion minimum target, and after that it has turned down again. That brings market to forming of the larger ABCD pattern. Also, guys, take a look. That is actually the minimum target of the this minimum target of the three drive pattern. So markets very soon will complete it. So also, guys, this last butterfly that has been formed, in fact the last drive on the three drive pattern, has the ultimate target around 127 extension of the whole butterfly action. It's very rare happens, but from time to time, big pattern. From time to time, market reaches these extended targets as well, so it stands at 12.55. And also we have this clear ABCD pattern with 12.56 approximately completion. All this target stands above or mostly coincide with this trend line. It's very important. It means that if even market will complete ABCD here, it will happen right at the trend line. So that's in fact will be the culmination point, and that's the point that I'm talking about, where if you're still searching chance to go long, you could do this, but be aware of the non-farm payrolls release, because it will be a really very volatile action. Also, as if it will happen so that market will show some positive reaction here, don't miss this moment and move your stop to the break-even. Because in the current circumstance, when the market in general expects the stronger non-farm payroll, so it's 185,000 expected today by the Reuters poll. ADP data was also really positive, so just try to protect your position as soon as possible. So today probably we will get the result of destiny on the gold market for the short-term perspective. Let's see what will happen in the United States session will open.